Seeing as I just bothered this cat, just look at his face. He looks like he's gonna kill me. What you gonna do? Don't look at me. Look at the camera. What was that?
Alas, our path is blocked by Mama's army of evil, as well as her navy of moral dubiousness.
What was that? Holy crap. Ha!
From White Castle? Of course, White Castle.
I hate you.
While we're there, we can get some of those greasy little dwarf burgers.
Yeah, that's right. Just go to sleep. Just go to sleep.
Sleep deep, fast,
Go to sleep.
at dawn.
I see you moving your hand. You can't honestly scare me. So just go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep.
Send all our forces against White Castle. Right away, Mother. I'll just leave a small contingent behind in case. I said everything!